Hi, welcome back to Shitoku Tech. Yeah, I discovered Seed Studio a couple of years ago when I was looking for Raspberry Pi 4 alternatives, and they have Raspberry Pi 4 in stock very frequently, and you sign up to be notified, and you just got to jump on it right away because they'll sell out again. So, yeah, I recommend if you're looking for something and it's scarce, go ahead and sign up for notifications. And Seed Studio has been very good. You see, in the last 2 years, I've received several notifications about Raspberry Pi 4 being back in stock and even the Raspberry Pi 5. I bought it on the advanced notification, so I actually pre-ordered my Raspberry Pi 5 from Seed Studio because they notified me about it. And that, you'll actually see here, yeah, I got a notification a few days ago that Raspberry Pi 5 8 gig is back in stock at Seed Studio. And so that's what I post on my community tab. Hopefully it's helpful to some of you that are looking for some of these scarce boards. Well, you can see it's gone again. Yeah, here's the notification I got back in September. Was the pre-order notification for Raspberry Pi 5, and I went ahead and pre-ordered it at the time. I got the 4 gigabyte Raspberry Pi 5 from Seed Studio. I also follow Seed Studio on LinkedIn, and the community organizer Allison is also on LinkedIn, and so it's nice interacting with them. And then I see this from Seed Studio. Basically, they're celebrating their 15th anniversary, and they've picked 5 people that they're familiar with. I'm one of them, so we're going to get some swag from Seed Studio. Look, I just got it in the mail the other day, so we're going to unbox it and check it out. Actually, I just got this box the other day. It actually came via DHL. Let's open the box here. Nice little packaging there. You know, it turns out there was so much stuff in this box, I couldn't display it on my regular table that I work on. I had to actually go outside and get one of my folding tables out. So we're going to be toggling back and forth between this view and the outside view, depending on which item we're looking at. This is an interesting cloth. It's like if you were to lay out products on the counter, it's got a very nice, soft, kind of microfiber-y feel to it. 15th anniversary. Congrats, Seed Studio. The big Seed Studio logo. Or I could see you playing cards on it or something like that. And it's got a nice backing, so it's not going to slip around. Oh, and another one of those cloths, counter cloth. 15th anniversary. In hex. Yeah, I can't even show that whole cloth, so my table isn't big enough. Yeah, I'm trying to lay it all out here and it's just not working. Okay, so I got out my folding table and I was able to stretch out those counter cloths. Yeah, you can see if you rub it the wrong way, it comes out looking like it's frayed or damaged. But if you rub it the other way, it's nice and smooth. Okay, next we got a few magnets. I don't know what that one is. Oh, I have that, the T1000 tracker. Getting ready to work with that soon. Oh yeah, there's a magnet for their LoRa gateway, and I just did a short video unboxing that one. We'll be working with that again soon. Let's see, I'm a node, you are a node. We are connected. Oh yeah, this is the t-shirt. Let's go with the outdoor view on this one. You can't really see enough of this to do it justice on my camera table here. Here's that t-shirt. There's a lot of detail on that t-shirt. It's got something on the back there, IoT hardware enabler. And the sleeve even has a little Seed Studio tag on it. It's well thought out detail. Very nice. This seems to be some sort of neck gaiter. Yeah, this neck gaiter says open tech for emerging scenarios. And it's just a tube open on both ends. There's that neck gaiter. Yeah, good eye cover for taking a nap. Ah, card. We'll open that last. What's this? A pocket watch. Got to crack that open. It's one of their tiny little ESP32 devices. I don't know which one that is, but that's pretty cool. Got to put this back together now. I don't know if that came from in there or not. I'm not sure. Get it right. There we go. Some assorted stickers with their various flagship products there. Oh, this is interesting. Yeah, this is like, okay, I'm going to have to demonstrate this one outside where I have more space, but this is actually a self-contained backpack. Yeah, if you unzip it and fold it out, it's a backpack. We'll check it out in a minute here. Yeah, there's more stuff in this box than I was expecting. I got to be honest with you. And the scale of it is big, you know, so it really made an impact. And I appreciate the gesture, Seed Studio and Allison there. The fridge magnets, the eye cover, more stickers. Yeah, that pocket watch. Let's check out this backpack thing. I'm intrigued. You know how it is when you go to a convention or whatever and you know you're collecting your swag. It's nice to have something to put your swag in. So here's your swag backpack. It's going to take me a second to get the straps right on this, but you'll get the idea in a second here. No, that's not the right way, dude. There we go. We got the straps right this time. Yeah, so that's your backpack with the straps. And it's got a little pouch on the back. That's what you just turned it inside out from. It's got a zipper handle both on the inside and the outside of that little pouch so that you can turn it back inside out. That's like a little passport wallet there. Document wallet. So that'd be great for at a convention to collect all your swag in. Wonderful details. What else we got? Oh yeah, the lovely card. Very nice. Okay, let's open that card. Now, this is a very ornate card, very lovely. Happy New Year. Open it up. It's got a wonderful message. Wow. And signed by Allison. That's a nice touch. Thanks, Allison. Thanks, Seed Studio. Yeah, so the lunar calendar New Year that China observes is New Year's Day is February 10th. That's a Saturday, so we'll be wishing you a Happy New Year on Saturday, February 10th. All right. Happy anniversary, Seed Studio. Thanks again, Allison. So I really recommend you check out Seed Studio. Leave a comment down below. Give this video a like. And before you go watch more videos on the Shotoku Tech YouTube channel, please click on subscribe. Thank you very much.